Hi everyone, I am Yasuko and it's time for Massage Monday. Today is April 20th, 2020. How are you doing? Some of us have been under lockdown for 5 or 6 weeks and who knows how many more. So this week I'll show you several hand massages for stress and anxiety, which I believe is useful for many at this time of uncertainty. Let's start with fingertips. There are points by the edge of the nail bed, outside of the thumb, thumb side on the index and middle finger, pinky side on the ring finger, and both sides on the pinky. But to make it easier, just pinch each edge of the nail bed with your thumb and index finger and massage. You can stimulate it 10 times or squeeze and hold for a count of 10 as you take a deep breath. Repeat on all the fingers except the ring finger. Here's why. When you stimulate the fingertips, you are working on the autonomic nervous system, which controls the automatic bodily functions such as breathing, the heartbeat, and digestive processes. When you work on the tip of the thumb, index finger, middle finger, and pinky, you are stimulating the parasympathetic nervous system, which helps you relax, rest, and restore. The tip of the ring finger works on the sympathetic nervous system, which raises alertness and the heart rate to prepare you for the fight or flight situation. So working on the ring finger is okay only when you feel down or lightly depressed or your blood pressure and blood sugar level is low during the day. Otherwise, skip the ring finger for de-stress and relaxation purpose. Repeat on the other hand. Next, the webbing between each finger. Simply massage each webbing with thumb and index finger 10 times. Pinch and slide out. Massage the next webbing 10 times. Pinch and slide out. This helps to relax the tired body and mind, and of course, your tired hand from texting and swiping. Pinch and slide out. Repeat on the other hand. And some acupressure points to help you calm down. Draw a line from the base of the ring finger and pinky finger towards the wrist, and it's where it stops on the wrist crease. It's right next to the big tendon on the inside. This is called Heart 7 or H7. Press this point for 5 seconds as you take a deep breath and repeat 5 times. This is good if you are having emotional issues, heart palpitations, anxiety, irritability, sleep problems, insomnia, and too much thinking. Give me thumbs up. The next one is where the middle finger is touching the palm. This is called Pericardium 8 or P8. Again, press this point for 5 seconds as you take a deep breath and repeat 5 times. This point is good for relaxing your body and mind. Repeat on the other hand. If you tend to eat from stress, maybe, just maybe, these may help you reduce the trips to the fridge. Thanks for watching. I'll see you back next week. Make it a great week. Feel free to comment below and please don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell so you'll be notified when my video is up and out. Stay safe everyone.